have one of Wuben's best value for the money here, the Wuben G5. We have checked this one out in the channel before. As a matter of fact, I was walking outside last night with the G5 in the pocket. I had just recently recharged it, and I was walking at night in the neighborhood, wanted to have a flashlight on me, and this was exactly what I had, coincidentally enough. Very affordable. I believe these sell for around 20-ish, maybe 25 bucks or less. Talk about a snug fit in there, right? Had to really work at it to get the flashlight out. The OG one that we got a chance to check out was black. This one is an OD green. We got USB-A to USB-C cable on there. And the one other piece is a lanyard with the Wuben branding. Nice little value add flashlight. Got the user manual, but the UI is pretty straightforward, pretty user-friendly. I'll give you guys a quick overview. And of course, you can check out the full video in the channel if you guys want to learn more. Just type Miguel EDC Wuben G5 and you'll find that video right away. So really quick, rapid fire, you have your selector here on the side. It also hides your charging port. It is a built-in battery. We have a magnet here in the back. We also have a lanyard, little solution, little hole if you want to mount the lanyard. And then we have little icons, obviously in the lower position. You're going to lock it so it doesn't turn on accidentally. Then you have one step, and that is to turn on the light. The full step here gives you access to charging. So that's all labeled there nicely. Let's go ahead and turn on the light here. We have, I want to say, multiple different features. We have the beacon, and then we have the actual light on the other end. All these you can adjust with this little dial, which is nice. It gives you tons and tons of customizations if you want to. It's one of those features, again, I tell people all the time, it's nice to have and not need, than need and not have. So there's the beacon, for example, on that color that I chose. There we go. Here is the light also, right? We can adjust the brightness on the light all the way from the dimmest. It actually blinks when you reach the limit, and we can make it as bright as we want to, right? It's also going to blink once you reach the upper limit as well. Nice and bright. I have a night test with this one on the overview video if you want to check that out. Very potent little light here for what is otherwise the size of a Zippo lighter. I mean, I feel like that was probably their benchmark with this, is make a flashlight that's powerful and potent enough, but with a very EDC carry sort of size, like a Zippo lighter. So definitely has that going for it. You can turn the light here all the way around 180 degrees. You can go 90 degrees, make it point forward. You can make it point the other way, right? You can make it point this way. So you got some options there. And the best part is you have this pocket clip on the side, which is adjustable, right? If you want to mount it here, that's fine. You can mount it over here if you have a cap on, or maybe it makes sense to mount it. You just got to pull it up and then turn it around. You can also turn it around to this side. So you also have a 180 degree, or at least, 0, 90, 180 degree turning pocket clip, just like you have a 180, right, turning little light head right there. So very cool little flashlight, very affordable.